All right, let's go ahead and work on example 5 from the last video. All right, so we noticed that we can multiply these two matrices together. Matrix A is 2 by 2, and matrix B is a 2 by 3. So the overall product of the matrices will be a 2 by 3 once we're done. So yes, we can, 2 by 3. All right, so we're going to multiply the first column, the first row times the first column. So we have negative 1 times 0 plus 3 times 1. So we're going to take the first row multiplied by the second column, negative 1 times negative 2 plus 3 times negative 3. First row, negative 1 times the third column, 4 plus 3 times 2. So we multiplied the first row times each column. Then we're going to take the second row multiplied by the first column, 3 times 0 plus 4 times 1, 3 times negative 2 plus 4 times negative 3. That's the second row, second column. Second row, third column is next. We are going to multiply 3 times 0 plus, oops, wrong. I was looking at the wrong one. Excuse me for a second. It's not 3 times 0. It's 3 times 4 plus 4 times 2. So we've got all the calculations ready. All we have to do is finish it up. Give me some room here. All right. So we have to the left 0 plus 3. That's the first row, first column. 3 will go in the first row, first column. 2 minus 9, negative 7. Negative 4 plus 6 is 2. Okay, we finished the first row. Now we have 3 times 0 is 0 plus 4. Working on the second row, first column. Negative 6 minus 12 is second row, second column is negative 18. And the last is 12 plus 8 is 20. All right, so what you have to remember is when we're multiplying, we have to take the first row times each column in B. First row of A times each column in B. And each entry has to be added with their corresponding entry in the first spot, and 3 times 1 in the second. Then you continue to do that for all columns. And then you go to the second row, multiply, and then take the sum of each. Okay, let's move on to the next one. All right, example 6. I'm going to leave it to you as practice. Remember to first step is to verify that you can multiply these together by checking. All right, example 7. What's the product of AB? Well, we see that A is a 2 by 1. And we see that B is a 3 by 2 matrix. We look in the middle. They don't equal. So that means, no, it's not possible. So the product AB cannot be done and if it asks you why, because the column of the A and the rows of the B matrix are not equal. All right, let's take a look at example number 8. What is the product of AB? Well, we have one row in A times 3 columns, right? One row, 3 columns, and we have 3 rows by 1 column. So look at the middle numbers, they're equal. So yes, it is possible. And then the resulting product is going to be a 1 by 1. Okay, so let's take a look at what we have. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take the row -8 times -7 we're going to take 2 times -8 and last is 5 times -6. Which is equal to 56, -16, -30, all added together. Okay, forgot about that, sorry about that. It's going to be all added together. All right, so we have 56 minus 16 is 40, and 40 minus 30 is 10. So the resulting matrix AB is 10. If you have questions, please contact your teacher. And I'm going to leave you the sample CCSD common example practice question for you. Have a great day.